Hello, today I am with the Pixel 7 Pro and the Google and the Apple iPhone 15, and I'm gonna check if we can actually charge this iPhone by using this other brand phone. So that's the Google actually, and let's plug this USB-C cable right here. And on the Pixel I have the 31% of the battery, and on the iPhone it's around 40%. So let's take a look. I plug it in, actually I can charge the iPhone 15 by using the Google Pixel. And yeah, just take a look, that's the same cable. There's no any trick that I hide something and put it to the charging brick. That's the same cable actually. So yeah, you can actually charge your iPhone by using the other phones. That's all for this video, hope you like it.